if you're needing a lot of help with, getting set up with DeFi, with getting BNB, for example, maybe you have Ethereum, you're not sure how to turn it into BNB, or maybe you want to do crypto pre-sales, right? And I really wanted to make this video for those of you in our Tribe 100X community, but I also wanted to extend this to anybody that wants help, because I want to create a growing library of videos that are extremely helpful for people who want to be able to take advantage of DeFi, particularly right now where it's hot, which is Binance Smart Chain projects launching on PancakeSwap for the very first time. For those that are in our Tribe 100X community, you've been seeing us just killing it, right? I mean, just knocking it out of the park. It's just one of the pages we've been collecting, different success stories, and some of them are just incredible. This guy turned to $850, which was 3 BNB, into 102 grand. A lot of you know this. Like, those of you who don't, I'm just trying to point out, like, it's just insane the opportunities that are available in crypto right now, particularly in DeFi, particularly on the Binance Smart Chain. And a lot of people, they don't understand how to take advantage of it. I'm not giving financial advice, but we have a strategy that we work together as on a community, and we find these projects that are launching and we discuss them. And there's some criteria that we just sort for as part of doing our own individual research. We work together to identify the projects that we feel as a community are most likely to 100X or more. And it's happening. Like, it's just crazy. It's happening a lot. And, there's 20Xs, there's 10Xs, there's 2Xs. And, sometimes it can take months for a 100X, but sometimes, like this one, it happened in 5 days. So anyway, those in our Tribe 100X community, I just wanted to extend to you, if you'd like me to make a video on something, some kind of how-to step, let me know in the comment section below what you're needing help with. Obviously, depending on what it is, and if I understand what it is you're trying to do, sometimes people are so new to this, they don't know how to articulate what they're needing. But, I'll communicate with you. I'm going to do my best to create a library of resources that I'm trying to open up our Discord. Actually, what am I doing? It's down here. So, like, for example, I just posted in our Discord, step 1, how to turn Ethereum into BNB. First you need to exchange Ethereum from an ERC20 token into a BEP20 token. If you don't follow all of this, I'm going to just show you how to do it. And then once you do that, you can just go to PancakeSwap. I show you in step 2 how to turn that into, how to turn the ETH into BNB. And now they have a feature on what's called the Binance Bridge, which I'm showing you how to use. All this is simple when you just follow the steps in these videos. And by the way, these are on my YouTube account too, if you're not in our Tribe 100X community. All of this is super simple to follow. And in fact, I'll just stop right there and just say, like, I'm creating a library of videos to help everybody with just about everything. And I'm going to start on Wednesday, the 11th. I'll look at what people are requesting that they're needing help with. I know a lot of people in our community that are brand new to this are saying, hey, how do I do a pre-sale? Like, before something launches on an exchange, that's where these big opportunities for these big gains are, right? How do you, they're on these launch pads like DXL, and it's actually super simple. And I believe I have a video on my YouTube channel on how to use DXL, but I'm going to do like a current version of everything that you guys are needing. Now, a lot of this is general knowledge. You can go search YouTube, but sometimes things aren't explained really well. So I just wanted to create an opportunity. If you're in our Tribe 100X community, and even if you're just coming across this and you're wanting to get into crypto pre-sales, you're wanting to find out about, how to take advantage of these projects, or little things like how you turn Ethereum into BNB. I already have a video on that, but stuff that you need to do to take advantage of DeFi, specifically on the Binance Smart Chain, with BNB. If you're needing any how-to help, let me know in the comments below, and I'm going to start using that. It'll benefit me too, to know what you guys need, and I'll start creating videos and build the library in our Tribe 100X community. Again, for those that don't know, this is where we work together as a team, over 500 of us now, following the same strategy, which is super simple on identifying the projects most likely to 100X. And we don't give financial advice. We don't tell people to invest or what to invest into, but we do let them know often what we're investing into, just to share. And we're working together following criteria as a community to identify these projects that meet those criteria, because we're seeing consistently, just when we do that together, we're getting these insane gains. And those of you who are brand new, by the way, in our Tribe 100X community, I'll just leave this open for those of you that want to read this. This is crazy. Like, you know, pause the video and just like, if you haven't, you know, zoom in, blow up the video and read some of this. It's just crazy. This is all this happened. All of these were just within a few weeks time. Like there's so many, it's just ridiculous. But those of you in our Tribe 100X community, I put out a post today saying, if you're brand new and you want to expedite the process of getting up to speed and like having, you know, joining us in the success, I suggest, here's what I do. I'd go to the gains section in the members category and look at all the posts that people made of the projects that they RIP FT'd in. For those that don't know, RIP FT stands for Recoup Investment Profit. And then leave in free tokens that can keep going up at no risk because you've already recouped investment and profited. But anyway, if you're in our Tribe 100X community, go to the gains section, look at what people posted as the projects that they did really well with. Go to the search function and search for that project. Look at the bucket post, look at the vetter post. When someone posted that before it launched, read that little post that outlines the project. Read the other conversation that the community had about that project. Print the PDF and pull up the 2-hour class that runs through the criteria and look at the projects that the community's been making bank on over and over again, all these different projects, and read the discussions and look at the PDF. It's super simple, and the criteria in the class, and see the pattern. A light bulb will go off. You'll see which projects, you know, are winning based on the historic record. So that's what I would do if I were you in our Tribe 100X community and I was new. Those of you who aren't in Tribe 100X, I'll put a link below to a free class. If you don't have experience, you know, access that. And if you just want to jump into the Discord and be part of all of this and expedite this, I'll give you another link. You just buy that class I was just referencing for $97, and then you can join the Discord. If you have experience, a lot of experience with crypto pre-sales on the Binance Smart Chain already, I'll give you another link where you can just jump right into our Discord. But guys, I mean, I've never seen anything like this. Like, this is crazy. Like, it's just crazy. This is just over a couple of weeks. We weren't cherry picking. We were just going through posting what people put in there, and there's so many more. Anyway, the point of this video was really for our Tribe 100X community, but I'm putting this on my public channel. So I wanted to extend it to everybody because it will help me build a library of videos. I want to know what you guys need help with that's specific to the DeFi space, decentralized finance, and subcategory specific to the Binance Smart Chain. How to churn ETH into BNB. I already did that one, but it's an example. How to do a crypto pre-sale. You know, how do you buy one of these before they launch? Now, if you're going to ask, where do I find them? You know, and you're brand new to this, go opt in to the free class because that will cover that. But I'm talking about how to step-by-step stuff. And this is mostly for those in the Tribe 100X community because I know you guys kind of know what you need. That's a step-by-step, and I want to know what it is so I can create a video for you. But again, it's on my public channel. I'm putting this on my public channel because I thought, why not build a big library, hear from everybody out there. If you need help with a step-by-step, with anything related to crypto pre-sales, you know, these projects that are launching on the Binance Smart Chain, again, not knowledge that I'm sharing already in my classes, like the free class or the $97 class gets super detailed, shows everything I know. And I'm talking about that. I'm talking about how-to stuff like, okay, how do I turn ETH into BNB? Because you need BNB to buy the pre-sales. Or like if we go back, just to give you a couple more examples, if we go back into the Discord, you know, here was one that says how to claim your reward reflection tokens whenever you want, no matter the token you're in. So those of you in Tribe 100X, most of you know there's these opportunities on the Binance Smart Chain to buy a token, and if you hold it, they pay you cake or they give you BNB. It's just one of the little things going on that I think are pretty cool. And because then I just take that cake, for example, when I put it on PancakeSwap and I get even more returns, right? But a lot of you don't know how to claim those rewards. So I made a video how to do that. Like a lot of you in our community will know what you need help with. Maybe it's really basic, you know, how to step-by-step stuff. Let me know in the comments below, whether you're in our tribe or not. And I'm going to use that to help you and to build a library of resources to make this super simple on everybody with whatever you're stuck on. All right, guys, we'll see you soon. Hey, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I'm here to help. We're just seeing insane stuff going on right now. Like, this is just ridiculous, the results people are getting. And again, if you're in our tribe and you just joined, or you're the kind of person who doesn't follow steps, like you didn't start in step 1 and you didn't follow those steps, which are super simple to do and wouldn't take much time, but you just that type of personality, go do that. And then follow through on the suggestion I just made. Go to the gain section. Look at what everyone had posted there about which projects they were making 2000% with and all this crazy stuff that we're seeing within hours sometimes, or a few days, which is so common in this space. And then go search for those projects in the Discord and find the post, the original post before it launched. Review it. Review the discussions leading up to that launch in the community. Have the PDF printed out. You know, watch the class again before you do this. 2 hours, you can do it. For the reward, man, this is nothing. And the light bulb's gonna go off. You're gonna see the pattern. It's not that complicated. All right, guys, I just want you guys to win big. We've made it incredibly simple. I truly believe our Tribe 100X community and the class is the single most valuable resource in the crypto space right now. I sincerely believe that. And if you look at this, I'll put a link to this below. It's just kind of obvious. All right, guys, let me know what you'd like me to make some videos on for you, some how-to step-by-step videos, and I'm going to do everything I can to get you plugged in. It's really not that hard. But I know when you're first starting out, like if you can't find the answer, it feels hard. So we're going to solve that. Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. If you like this kind of stuff, the real stuff, the real helpful stuff, the kind of stuff I wish I had when I was getting started, that makes it super fast and simple. And if you're already subscribed, be sure to like the channel so I know to create this kind of content and to continue doing these kinds of things. Because if I don't get that feedback, then I assume it's not really wanted. I'm assuming this is going to be super helpful. But let me know in the comments. And subscribe to the channel and like the channel so the algorithms kick in. All right, guys, we'll see you soon, and I'll see you in the tribe.